All right, y'all. Welcome back. We done it again. Back with another mukbang. Y'all know how we do. Mom's gonna say grace over the food, and then we're gonna what?
Get it in.
All right, so here we go.
Thank you, gracious God. Amen.
Amen.
Yes.
Now, today, while making my plate, I'm gonna tell y'all what we having. We still got a steak knife. What does that mean? We got some steaks. So we doing steak and shrimp. There's a steak right there we having, y'all. Look at that.
I just stabbed mine with the fork.
Look at you, be bougie. We're trying to be bougie. We ain't trying to be ratchet. Ratchet. Shrimps.
You should have served your mama up first.
Baby girl, baby girl, baby girl.
It's
I've been
okay.
cooking.
Yes, cooking and
Shrimp.
cleaning and cooking and cleaning and cooking and cleaning.
Oh. The butter fell off the corn.
What?
It's off the top of the corn. It was all the way on top of here. It fell off. But you know what? That's okay.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to need some of that on my plate, too.
Okay.
I need a little bit of that.
You need to grab your own place these days. Slavery was abolished.
Okay, I'm glad it was, because I'm supposed to get my stuff in.
Yes.
Yes.
I help you, dog.
Don't help me, help the bear, because I'm getting my own
Steak knife
plates.
Steak knife. Come on, this steak.
You can put it on top of that, and I just...
If you want some more, you can scoop some more.
I'm looking like...
You got more than I did. I'm trying to watch my figure a little bit. As y'all know,
what the
I got
figure what?
a waist shaper, y'all. I've been rocking it. You know, so
Yes, y'all. We is being on a diet because the coronavirus. Of course, we gained weight during the shutdown.
Okay. So when we do a thumbnail, and your plate's all messy. Right.
My plate ain't messy.
Look at my plate.
My plate ain't messy. That's how I'm gonna eat it.
Oh, mystery in the building.
Okay. My plate, young man, is young man. It's not messy at all. What's
Why
up?
don't you help me tell them what we having?
We're having steak.
Okay. We got some plantains
And broccoli. I had a taste for broccoli, so I'm like, son, I want some broccoli today. Absolutely.
That's good.
Yes. Absolutely. Yes. I'm trying to make sure my food. I'm trying to make sure my food don't get away. So I gotta cut it a certain.
I'm gonna swallow a whole plantain just now.
I know you probably did.
A whole plantain.
My lips is all ready.
So what's new with you?
Salivating.
Oh, I forgot to mention you guys. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell.
So you be notified when you get another video.
And if you are a current leftover family member, welcome back. We thank you.
Absolutely. And thank you guys for placing your comments in the comments section. Keep them going, because if leftovers don't read them, Mama Leftovers sure do read them.
But y'all, I read all of them, respond back. But
Absolutely.
she ain't coming to y'all.
And I respond back to them too. I absolutely do. And then another thing too. We're going to let you guys know. Guess what? Guess what, you guys? We hit that 500 subs. Remember we said when we hit the 500 subs, we's going to do a giveaway. And I'm already ready for the giveaway. We're going to figure out what we're going to give away and do that on the next mukbang. So stay tuned for instructions on how to win $20 cash.
But y'all,
Okay? The bigger we get,
the
the
more
more
we get.
prizes we give away, and the bigger the prizes get.
Now,
Help us get there. Get there, get there, get there.
now, you can't win if you're not subscribed.
If you're not participating. The steak seasoned so very well.
Yeah, a recipe on the marinade.
It's really good. Yes. So I'm ready to see who the winners are going to be. Yes. I want to see who they are, who they're going to be. Yes. Absolutely. Absolutely. So, and make sure you guys comment. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit that notification bell. That's the only way that y'all will be able to be in the contest.
Absolutely.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and of course, we already know you gotta watch the videos.
Yeah.
You
Watch
never know
the videos.
what part of the video we will be announcing the winner.
Yeah, because throughout the videos that my son and I have been doing together, he been doing his own videos and mukbangs, and then of course he invites me into them, and I appreciate that, and I'm so happy that I am able to be a part of this, along with your journey, because you're doing so very well. But make sure, because there's going to be information inside maybe one of the videos that y'all need to know about.
Have you tried the plantains?
Because now let me say this. We're giving away $20 since we hit that 500 mark. But let me tell you this, son.
You want some more of these or no?
No, I don't want any more. You put that juice and stuff on the rest of my plate, though. But the same night we give away the $20, I'm thinking about, instead of giving $20, we make it a little harder and make it more of a challenge for them.
Okay, what you thinking?
Give them $50. Give them $50 so they cash out.
You said harder. How's that harder?
Because there's something in one of our videos that's always been in our videos that I don't know if they noticed it or not, but if they can guess what it is, the first person in the comment section to guess what it is the person to win the $50.
I know what you mean.
You already know what it is, right? Absolutely. Don't you think that's a good one?
Now, only a true loyal leftovers gonna know that one.
Thank you. Absolutely. Absolutely. So, instead of the $20, we're going to do $50.
Baby, go, baby, go, baby, go.
We're using this
I don't never use that.
favorite cloth on
I
the
don't
steak
never use nothing.
on the steak tonight,
They know me.
instead of regular paper towel. But I think I want a little bit. Everything's seasoned real nice. I love it. But I think I want a little ranch on the side of my plate for a little dipping
We
sauce.
get a little ranch too.
Because I don't know, for some reason I like to dip stuff. You know? I like to have my little dipping sauce.
Your cousin be mad if you just put ketchup on everything. He's like, you put that, you really. He was mad. I'm just her food. You want to put ketchup on it?
Absolutely. Absolutely. I got ranch on this side and put a little blue cheese on that side. Yes. Because I just like to try different dipping sauces and stuff like that. How do you know something if you don't ever try it and experiment? Well,
Touche.
Touche, cliche, miche.
rice is
Yeah,
good.
that's what I'm saying.
You make my whole mouth.
You never know. You know what you want to run across. And you know what? I need to give me that thing with that. No, that empty plate.
Oh, you look at the end of my man. Come on now.
I'm gonna get all the rest. You want some of this broccoli?
If you don't want, I'll take it.
I'm gonna get some of it. You can have the rest of it.
You don't get, yeah. What you don't want.
Yeah, you can have the rest of that. You want a little more? I can get a little more. I don't care. All of that on that plate right there. I'm gonna sop it up once the camera's off. I'm not wasting none of them juices right there. I won't be sopping all that up. You can have here. You can have one of these other stalks right there. You can have this bigger stalk because I got. Oh, wait a minute. Oh yeah. Oh, it's good. Yeah, I was gonna say to the now. Oh. I'm gonna take that back. Let me tell you about these old dadgum suckers. Everybody's talking about the presidential election. Make a long story short.
Can you do that?
They saying dawn if we do, dawn if we don't, with either president. So what I'm saying is don't vote for now one of them. Let a third party come in. Let the third party come in so we can vote for the third party. Because we get a choice of who the third party is. So all y'all that vote for them two presidents and when they ain't up to par on what they want to be, I don't want to hear it.
What is that over there? No, over there. Right there. Oh, up there.
I guess that's the same thing that's over there. What the hell?
Shit in there.
Anyway, anyhow, anywho, if they don't want neither president, to me, right there. They don't want neither president because they ain't neither president, no count. Then what they not need to do is vote. As long as they do not vote, can't no president.
Wait. We stop before we get any further because you just said, excuse me.
Better burp it and waste it than fart and taste it.
No, why fart and waste it? Burp it and taste it.
Same thing.
You said not now. You said a double negative. I don't know exactly what you said, but you said a double negative.
I sure did. Might have been bad language, but very good understanding.
So
Then it wasn't even no bad language.
Bad
What
English.
it is what I said was, let me repeat it, is that if they don't vote, can't nobody win the election. They have to bring a third party in. Or if they vote and the votes is tied, they can do whatever they need to do to try to break the tie. Or if they don't do that, they still have to bring in a third person. And we get to choose who that third person is.
But that'll be hard because if so, okay, let's just separate. So let's use Florida for example. If one person votes at Florida, that one vote is gonna count, ain't it? Or does it be a certain percentage of votes?
That'll be a certain percentage of votes on both sides.
I don't know, but there's another one,
These
y'all.
plantains are good by themselves, but they good in ranch too.
Ew. You see, that's what restaurants talk about. That's too much.
A new recipe.
Not on my channel.
Whoever done has some buttermilk, I mean not buttermilk, but some ranch plantains. They just had regular plantains. Regular
Come on, Darius.
Boy, let me tell you something. You don't do that.
What the hell did you say? It made no sense. I didn't understand what you said unless they understood you.
They understood me. Trust me. Be yourself and not nobody else.
What? No, I'm talking about you, because you moving real slow.
And it don't matter how slow or how fast I eat. Just because you done hog your stuff down and you sitting there looking like you don't know what. Move on around. I'll do the video rest of it by myself. Matter of fact, since you're rushing me, then don't invite me back to them with these damn mukbangs. Hell. Do your own mukbangs, bangs, bungs, ings, pop. Do all
I like
that.
those red glasses. It's cute.
Don't get off topic.
Trailer park cute though.
See, that's why I ain't coming back to your damn video.
I was being nice to you until you told me to get off topic.
I ain't come back to your video no more. It's gonna be this the last damn mukbang with him.
She'll be back, y'all.
No, I won't.
All you gotta do is starve her out.
No, I don't. And don't be big. I ain't gotta starve. I can survive up my fat. I know how to cook. I ain't gonna starve.
All right, y'all, this is the ending. I'm sliding out of here one more time. Just want to say thank you to all my family.